white light in the sky, and then there was a blast. Not one, not two, not three, but 4 blasts that happened in the fields. Thankfully, you can see that the village is not very far away, and here the crevice or the crater is so deep, you can see that it's about 15 feet down, 35 feet wide across. A big depression, perhaps caused by a drone and or by a small missile, is what one can fathom, though the military has taken away the spare parts, the debris that were remaining here in this depression. But clearly, you know, this is the pattern that we've seen in the past few days, where there have been several drone attacks in this entire stretch of Punjab, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Taran, Firozpur and Pathankot. And behind me, you can see that electric pole, the transformer that's completely, damaged here. That house right there, we are told that the residents were taken by shock. The window panes crashed with the entire impact in this village here, and naturally, ever since this has happened, we've seen a flurry of people pouring in to see what is happening. Firozpur, for instance, was a place where, the drones actually dropped in a residential colony, and clearly, India has decimated every small or big attack that Pakistan has launched on the Indian soil, and the battle continues. With video journalist Deepak Bhesh, this is Mosmi Singh in Gurdaspur for India Today.
I am at Wadala area of Amritsar, where at 5 o'clock in the morning a drone was shot down by the Indian Air Force. But what was recovered after the drone was shot down has surprised everyone. There were 2 cylinders, that particular drone was carrying, and you can see also, my camera person Satya will show you the visuals. On the cylinder it is written that 5 kilograms of explosive. Total weight of a cylinder is 10 kg. It means that total weight the drone was carrying is 20 kg, including both the cylinders and 10 kgs of explosives. Now, as far as the drone is concerned, that was taken away by the Indian Air Force and the armed forces. But as far as these 2 cylinders are concerned, we have been given to understand is that the explosives inside these cylinders are still active, and the bomb disposal squad will be coming here any time now, and they will be defusing this particular bomb. As far as this entire stretch is concerned, Amritsar is a very sensitive area. It has border with Pakistan, and that is why Pakistan has been continuously targeting Amritsar from last 3 days. As far as last 24 hours are concerned, we have been given to understand is that more than 2 dozen drones have been shot down by the Indian Air Force. But as far as Pakistan is concerned, they have been continuously sending such drones. But there has been change in pattern also. The pattern has changed, because initially it was drones only for surveillance, but now they are sending drones with explosives, particularly to target the military establishment area. But armed forces are also on their toes, and multiple such drones have been shot down. As far as this particular drone is concerned, what the sources within the armed forces are concerned, that if it had exploded, it would have been very damaging for everyone, not only for army establishment, but if at all in civilian area, if it would have fallen, it could have caused major damage. As far as this area is concerned, I will show you the visuals. Very strategically it was shot down in a way that it fell in this particular ground. But as far as the entire area is concerned, it is a highly dense area, and if it would have exploded, certainly it would have been damaging for the civilians also. But as far as the police, armed forces are concerned, they are saying that they will try their best to ensure that no damage is caused to army establishment or the civilians. With camera person Satya, this is Munish Pandey in Amritsar for India Today.